Hello everyone, this is Stephanie. Welcome to another video. So it's time to open Eureka Crystal Beads February collection, and this is called Purrfect Valentine Beads Collection. So it sounds very sort of my kitty themed, possibly. I haven't looked at it yet. So I'm going to just open it up and we'll get started looking at the beads. So I've taken it out of the bag. I thought we'd go, a little bit. Oh, there we go. Look at the kitty with the sunglasses. That's so cute. Okay, let's open it up. There we go. All right, so this is not a subscription. This is a beautifully curated collection of beads, stones, findings, all kinds of beading goodies they offer on their website, generally monthly. Sometimes they skip a month, but generally you'll see them monthly. And you get this gorgeous collection of beads. So if you can take a look at it and see if you love it, and that's great. So you're not locked into a subscription if you don't want to be. All right, so I'm going to pull everything out and we will get a look at everything. Adorable little face. I love it. Such a cute inspiration picture. Okay, so here's our little inspiration paragraph. Your heart purrs with joy as you celebrate the sweetest love story with your perfect Valentine, or perfect Valentine. And both my kitties are my perfect Valentines. Okay, so here's our list. So we have seed beads, check glass beads, Swarovski crystal, Preciosa crystal, Chinese crystal, and findings. Every item is identified by its SKU number. So this is the SKU number. You can type this into the website and this item will come up. I do that when I want to order, additional beads. Sometimes you get more than one SKU number, so you get one or the other, and they're all beautiful. If it says times 2, times 2, times 4, etc., you'll get that many of that particular item. So I'm very excited to start looking at these beautiful beads. Of course, it's Valentine's themed, so we are going with the beautiful reds. And the first one is a Toho 15-0 round, and this is silver-lined ruby. And then this, I love this. This is perma-finished silver-lined milky cloud, and this is an 11-0 Toho. It's a beautiful color. It's very opal-looking. And then we have this beautiful 8-0, and this is in opaque pepper red. That is definitely a pepper red. Gorgeous. So isn't that pretty? We need some color right now, some nice bright colors. Next up we have a hexagon. This is a Toho 11-0 hexagon, and this is in opaque lustered Navajo. It's a beautiful cream color, and it's got a nice luster finish. And then we have a Toho treasure, and this is in matte mauve. So very beautiful. We're going to look at some check glass beads, and we have a 2mm fire polish, strand of 50, and this beautiful purple color. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, I love it. And then we've got a 3mm check glass fire polish bead, and this is in ruby. So I love those. Isn't that beautiful together? Gorgeous. Next up we have some drop beads, and you get 100 pieces. I love their drop beads. They're so pretty. Look at that copper color. Isn't that gorgeous? And look at these heart beads. These are so pretty. The colors are so nice. These are check glass hearts, 8x8mm. You get 25. Beautiful. Next up we have a check glass English cut bead, a strand of 50. And this looks like it has 5 sides to me. And it's about a 4mm bead, I'd say, something around there. And then look at this gorgeous super jewel. Look at that color. Isn't that pretty? I'm dropping them all over. Siam Ruby Vega, and this is, size tube? Is it 8 to 9 gram tube? Very pretty. Okay, next up we have some Swarovski crystal, and we've got some round pearls, 4mm. You get a strand of 100. And look at that cranberry red color. Isn't that gorgeous? And then look at those little heart pendants. These are 14.5mm. You get 2 of them, so you could just, put something here and just have a little pendant going, or you could bezel it, or, put it in a bracelet. Very pretty. And this color looks like, let's see, does it have the color? I'm not exactly sure what the color is, but it looks sort of like black diamond to me. Gorgeous Swarovski crystal cushion cut fancy stone. Isn't that gorgeous? It's a 16mm. Just such a beautiful, I love the size. And look at that Siam color. Look at the way that sparkles. That is stunning. Love that. These beautiful Swarovski crystal rivolis. And these are 14mm. You get 2 of them. And look at this gorgeous color. It's kind of like a a pinky coral. It's got a little purple in there. Just beautiful. And it has that color backing, which is so pretty. Look at that. That's stunning. We have these beautiful Swarovski crystal chatons. These are 8mm. You get 4 of them. And aren't they beautiful? This white opal color. Absolutely love these. I keep these. These are like my stash beads. I keep these in my stash all the time because they just go with everything. So pretty. My favorite beads, Preciosa Crystal. You get a bicone bead mix, 4mm. You get a pack of 72, and they're just all beautiful. Like there's a white opal in there, there's cyan in there, there's I think a ruby in there. Just very, very pretty. Look at the sparkle on those. Aren't they mesmerizing? Absolutely adore them. Gorgeous. Next up we have some Chinese crystal, 3x2mm, approximately 185 pieces. That's a lot of beads there. That's really pretty. This is sort of a dark gray with the AB coating on it. Very, very pretty. And next up we have some ear wires. So we have ear wire round with 2mm balls, silver plated. You get 2 pair, and the same thing in gold plated. You get 2 pair of those. So I love putting silver and gold together. Such a good idea. Okay, next up we have a magnetic disc clasp. They're small, 6mm gold plated and silver plated. So it's nice that you get silver and gold in both the ear wires and the clasp. And then look at this. So finally we have a little kitty, and look how cute these are. These are charm. It's a printed charm, a cat, 25x14mm. You get 2 of these. Just look how cute the little feet. It's so cute. Okay, here you go. Here's Eureka Crystal Beads February collection. Perfect Valentine, and they're perfectly beautiful beads. I just think it's so cute. And the beads aren't bad either, right? Okay, I'll put a link in the description box below the video to the collection and the collection page with all the beads. I think are there separately as well. So I want to thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.